Good morning. This is the Big Toe, second in command to Jim Foot of CSX. And I'm trackside about 7 o'clock on Monday, March 30th. Been sitting here and wondering why there is no train activity here. We are in a crisis period, but the train should still be running because there are finished goods and raw materials needed for manufacturing that must be delivered. Jacksonville? What the hell are you doing? You better quit fooling around and you better get trains moving because this country needs its trains to be on time and deliver the goods in good order. So stop fondling the unicorns and do your damn job. If not, I'll come down there. I know where you are. I'll find you, and I will destroy Jacksonville.